Meron akong naririnig na pag pumasok ka sa chattel mortgage, meron kang dapat i-produce na affidavit of faith.
Oh.
Ano ba yung
Actually,
affidavit
of good faith.
Good faith?
Oh. From the word good faith, ibig sabihin, pag chattel mortgage ka, kung umutang ka sa bangko, may tinatawag doon na chattel mortgage. But sa likod doon, may tinatawag na affidavit of good faith. It is a requirement. Ano yung tinatawag na affidavit of good faith? Ang ibig sabihin doon, the mortgage, it is a statement that the mortgage was executed in good faith as a security for the fulfillment of an obligation. Ibig sabihin, umutang ka in good faith, sinangala mo yung kotse in good faith, yun ang tinatawag na chattel affidavit of good faith. It is a requirement. Requirement yung affidavit of good faith. Requirement yun for the execution of the mortgage for the fulfillment of an obligation. And what is that obligation? Payment of auto loan. Yun yan.
Meaning, hindi ka napilitan, hindi ka na-coerce.
Parang ganon.
Para pumasok ka sa kasunduan.
Good faith. Good faith. Kasi wala kang bad faith na intensyon sa pag-utang mo sa kotse. Kasi iba dyan, umutang sa kotse, tapos binenta, pinalitan yung mga pangalan, pinalitan yung mga yung engine number, mga ganon. So, in this case, affidavit of good faith, it means that the mortgage was executed in good faith. The purpose only is for the fulfillment of an obligation. And what is that obligation? Payment of an auto loan.